Randall, what I'd also like to have is three things real quick. Number one, have the ability to upload the packing list when we're checking in on the purchase order. Checking things in, being able to let the system know that the material is received. I'd also like the ability to upload the packing list on that page because it will help. While there's not much here, what all that scribble scrabble means is that it's all been received. There are very often notes that are placed on the packing list as well, and I want everyone in the company to be able to see that document. And in fact, you can't see it, but we've got boxes of packing lists, and we retain them for 2 years, just the physical copies. It's a lot of work to go back in time to find an old packing list. Might in the future want the ability to I actually might want the ability to not receive material in Merchant Tools without a packing list being scanned and uploaded. I realize we could easily defeat that, I suppose, but very often what happens is we'll get things sent to a box will show up and there's no packing list. So they could have put on there, 100 10-carat diamond earrings, and we don't know that we're being charged for that, until later. So that's number one. Number two, I haven't thought, it has occurred to me earlier that the entire premise of this project is based on no attributes. So our prior conversation a couple of days ago was, hey, stock items will not have attributes. Yeah, we're going to be okay going in that direction. The issue will be we might have something in stock that is not eligible for reorder, according to my Odyssey. That might cause problems. We'll have to sort that out. Number three is I'm going to do a float chamber this weekend. A chamber, it's like a room, and my predictive field in the whole rework. I'm going to try to study that before I go in. I've got a whole. I went through the to-do list. I mean, I pulled out 15 notes that I've collected over the last X years about how to have Merchant Tools tell me, hey, buddy, you should probably keep this many in stock. It's obvious you need this many in stock. Merchant Tools is not going to be subject to emotions, feelings, the side of the bed you wake up on, where you are in terms of, no, let's not order any of those. We just need to have them. Is the bottom line. So thank you.